Maliit na probinsyang nababalot ng lihim at hiwaga. Puno ng mystical creatures, black magic, kulam at pambabarang, ayan ang first impression sa lugar na ito. Tara, i-explore natin ang natatagong karisma at gayumang taglay ng lugar. Let's find out how the Island of Fire will put us under the spell. So buckle up, let's explore Siquijor. We're going to Siquijor by flying via Cebu Pacific. It's 1.5 plane ride from Manila to Dumaguete Sibulan Airport and 45 minutes to 1 hour ferry ride from Dumaguete Port going to the small island of Siquijor. Luckily, we have someone who will take us from Dumaguete Airport to the port. Shoutout sa'yo, Kuya Will! From the airport, it will take us around 15 to 20 minutes going to the port of Dumaguete. We paid 350 pesos one-way fare via Ocean Jet Fast Craft going to Siquijor and 15 pesos terminal fee. The earliest trip is 7 a.m. and the last trip is 7 p.m. So make sure you secure your ticket before the cutoff. So here is the schedule of the different ferry companies going to Siquijor. You can pause this video for your reference.
Okay, let's go Siquijor!
After 40 to 1 hour fast craft ferry ride, touchdown Siquijor! The moment you step on the island of Siquijor, mafe-feel mo na agad ang taglay na hiwaga ng lugar na ito. From the vibrant color of the crystal clear sea water in the port, and the approachable and smiling locals who will assure you of your destination.
Welcome to the Healing Island, Siquijor!
Pagbaba mo pa lang ng port, ito ng St. Francis of Assisi Church ang sasalubong sa iyo. Siquijor Church was founded on February 1, 1983. This is the first and oldest Roman Catholic church in the island. Siquijor is discovered by the Spaniard during 1565 and the small island is called Isla Fuego or Island of Fire dahil nababalot daw ito ng libo-libong alitap-tap tuwing gabi. We rented the motorcycle to explore the whole island. Motorcycle rental rate is 450 pesos for the first 24 hours and the gas is included. And finally, we're here at the Linz Guest House. This is going to be our home in Siquijor. I booked this guest house on their FB page, and this type of room which has 2 single bed, private comfort room, and fully air-conditioned room is only 2,150 pesos per night with breakfast included. what are we waiting for? Let's explore Siquijor! Alam mo ba hindi mo kailangan mag-book ng private tour to explore Siquijor? Basta marunong ka lang magmotor, you can go around the place. Nakatipid ka na from private tour, hawak mo pa itinerary at oras mo. We started waste the place using Google Maps. The locals are very tourist friendly that you could ask everything along the way. First stop, Paliton Beach.
Hello, good morning, kuya.
Entrance fee.
Ako, magkano nga po ulit yung entrance fee? 20 pesos po isa.
Ang Paliton Beach ang tinaguriang Boracay ng mga taga Siquijor dahil sa taglay nitong pinong-pinong white sand and crystal clear water. Ang kinaibahan lang dito, hindi crowded ang beach na ito at pwedeng-pwede mo itong masomo. If ang hanap mo is beach na tahimik na pwede kang mag-relax at mag-chill under the coconut trees, Paliton Beach is the place. Kung gusto mo namang umaura, dinarayo rin ng Paliton Beach dahil sa mga tinaguriang human drone. Sa halagang 50 to 100 pesos, pwede ka nang magpakuha ng mala drone shot gamit ang iyong cellphone. And of course, hindi tayo papahuli dyan. Kaya itry na natin! O ha? Nahilo kayo doon, no? So after our swimming sa Paliton Beach, we are here on our second destination here in Siquijor in Pitogo Cliff. So dati itong Pitogo Cliff is talagang may ginagawa dito mga cliff diving activities. However, due to mga accident, ganyan yung mga hindi mo inaasahan na accident dahil sa mga tourists. So hindi na siya allowed mag-cliff dive dito. Yan, puro mga picture taking lang. So, dito merong bayad na 30 pesos. And then, kapag gusto mo dun sa pinaka-cliff, sa may pinakadulo, may additional pa yun, no? 50 pesos na donation. Donation, pero may 50 pesos. So, yun, ang init ng weather dito sa Siquijor. Pero, yan, sun-kissed daw kapag ka nasa bakasyon, pero nalireklamo kapag ka nasa Manila. So, let's go to our third destination here in Siquijor. We're going to Kangbughay Waterfalls na para naman tayo ay ma-refresh. Kasi super init at tagaktak ng ating powers. Tara, let's go! Kapag pagod ka na at refreshing drinks ang hanap mo dito sa Pitogo Cliff, matitikman ng fresh sugarcane juice. Meron rin tindahan dito na nag-o-offer ng snacks and sandwiches. At kung naghahanap ka ng murang pampasalubong, dito ka na rin bumili sa Pitogo Cliff. If you're looking for the famous love potion of Sikihor, different types of oils and herbal medicine, you can buy it here for as low as 100 to 200 pesos. Keychains are ranging from 3 for 100, and their ref magnets is from 50 to 150 pesos only.
Hello, Kuya.
Hello.
Major product po ba ng Negros Oriental ang sugarcane?
Of course.
Dito po ba yung pinaka-masasarap na sugarcane?
Talagang masarap ang sugarcane
Sa Negros
sa Negros Oriental. Pero ngayon, dito na sa Sikihor.
Wow!
Dinala na namin.
Gayas Masayahin po pala yung mga taga-Sikihor na tao.
Yes.
Kasi ang nakaakala ng marami, pagka-Sikihor, nakakatakot.
Hindi.
Yun ang nila.
Ano ba yan? Yung mindset na
Mindset naman.
nakakatakot ang Sikihor pero hindi. Kasi pag andito ka na, safe kayo. Hindi ako originally from Negros Oriental ako. Dito ako na-feel na safety dito.
Wow.
Kahit na yung maiwan yung bag mo kahit saan, isa sa uli yan ng mga native
Mga
na
lokal.
Sikihor. Yun po.
Ayun. So, ayun na siya. Ang galing. Madami din pala, no?
Diyan na pala yan.
Wow, ang sarap. Fresh. So, dito
Bili
po
ka
kayo
pa.
bumili kaila ate. Pag pumunta kayo sa Paliton, yan, meron dito 50 pesos lang, masarap.
Pitogo Cliff.
Yan. So,
Pitogo Cliff.
ay, Pitogo Cliff. I'm so sorry, Pitogo Cliff. Kasi dun po kami nauna sa
Sa
Paliton.
palitan kayo.
Second po namin dito.
Pabili ka pa.
Nakabili na tayo. Enough na. Thank you po.
Thank you, Kuya. Nice
Enjoy kayo
meeting you.
dito.
About 15 to 20 minutes motor ride, mararating mo ang next tourist destination na ito. Kung pagod na ang mga paa mo kakagala, this is the place to be!
Golden Sunset. 20 pesos.
20 pesos.
Hi, Kuya.
Hello, good morning.
Say hi.
Kumusta?
Hi.
20 pesos ang entrance fee for the whole day fish spa. Adventure tips? No need to have your pedicure done before this trip kasi dito siguradong tanggal yung mga kalyo mo. Yung bite ng mga fish is minimal lang naman, hindi naman masakit, medyo nakakakiliti lang. Next stop, Happy Tanan. A place where you can experience to ride the broom. Walang bayad ang entrance dito. They only accept donations sa mga gustong magpa-picture ng malawich ang datingan, sakay-sakay sa walis.
Good afternoon po. 50 pesos po sa buong araw na yun po.
Yes, ma'am.
Isang tao.
Isang tao, 50 pesos. At take it for one day only.
So after bumili ng ticket, kailangan mag-register. May uniform kayo, kuya. Pag may mga color coding, ano po ibig sabihin? Wala lang.
Kasi yung uniform namin dito.
Ah, okay. Kasi iba pa po yung bayad ng mga nag-picture doon, no?
Oh, kukuha lang kayo ng guide, ma'am.
Nakukuha din po kami ng guide.
Yung guide, ma'am, ano lang, tip lang. Yun po yung kukuha sa inyo ng mga picture doon, yung man drone.
Ah,
Dito lang kayo kukuha kasi mas safe.
At saka, dito kayo kukuha ng guide. Tatlo yung waterfalls, so yun po yung magsasama sa inyo sa tatlong waterfalls.
So, sino po yung pwede namin maging guide?
Ako po pwede pa.
Sige.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Pangalan ko, ma'am, sir.
Ayan. Anong pangalan ni Kuya?
Marlon po.
Kuya Marlon, siya yung ating tour guide sa Cambugay. So, andito na tayo sa Cambugay Waterfalls. So, let's go! May mga human drone daw dito. So, tingnan natin yung kanilang talent sa pagkuha ng picture sa akin at video. So, ayan na. Medyo matarik lang. Pero good thing may mga ganitong hawakan na. At safe naman siya kasi may mga, ayan na, may mga hagdan. So, yung mga senior, kayang-kaya yan dito.
Okay, yung unang falls, 20 feet yung lalim. Second falls, 6 feet. Third falls, 10 feet. So, dito sa sa first falls, yung mga activities po nila, meron pong swing at saka balsa. Opo. Ito po, meron silang rope swing. Dito, meron din doon sa harap. So, pwede po tayo mag-start sa mababaw dito. Yung dito lang po yung mababaw. And then, nagpas kunti dyan, bigla pong lalim kasi yung buhangin sa ilalim pa. Biglang lalim. Kung hindi marunong lumangoy, pwedeng mag-life jacket. Para kung gusto nung tumalon, kahit hindi marunong lumangoy, pwede lang.
Tapos may bayad po yung mga jump na yan.
Pag local po yung bayad sa sa rope swing, 20, unlimited jump na po yon.
Sa rope,
Oo.
20 pesos sa rope, unlimited jump.
Unlimited jump. Pero iba-iba po yung bayad. Yung sa balsa, pag isang tao, 100. Yung minimum po nila, 5 person below 100, 5 person above 20 per head.
Okay.
All the stars overhead give us more to imagine. Eyes wide open, letting in all the magic that's about to happen. There's no end to where we go. Endless fields to roam. I know we'll find a place for real that others only dream. Never touched by any soul. There's no end to where we go.
There's a lot of beautiful and exciting places you could visit in the island. One of the places we visited and explored is the Lassie Convent and Lassie Church. You don't need to be religious to appreciate the beauty and history of these locations. Both the church and the convent are extremely well preserved. Upon entering, you need to pay 20 pesos as an environmental fee. Lassie Convent is the biggest and oldest convent in Asia, built in the traditional Filipino stone houses of Bahay na Bato. It has 2 floors. The second floor is made up of purely coral stone, while the second floor is made of hardwood and iron. On the opposite side, you can see the San Isidro Labrador Parish Church, commonly known as Lassie Church. It is a Roman Catholic church in the municipality of Lassie, Siquijor. This neoclassical style church, made of sea stone and wood, became an independent parish in 1857. And even today, you can still walk through the wooden floors of this over a century and half old church. One of the majestic sunset that you could see in your entire life is right here in Siquijor. You can watch it from the top of the mountain or in the typical sunset by the beach. At pagpatak ng gabi, Hindi nakakatakot na maligno o engkanto ang may encounter mo sa lugar na ito, kundi ang buhay na nightlife na gabi-gabing ine-enjoy ng both locals and foreigners.
May kasamang sigawan! Matawan! Mga kaibigan! Huwag turing tularan! Mas mabaero yan!
Siquijor is also called Healing Island, not because of many folk healers, also because of its laid-back atmosphere, serenity, calmness, and its beauty that you could get healed from the hustle and bustle of the metro. From the different places we explored, the St. Francis of Assisi Parish, Paliton Beach, Bitogo Cliff, Old Enchanted Balete Tree, Happy Tanan, Cambughay Falls, Lassie Church and Lassie Convent. Truly, the rich culture, tradition, religion, and the people of Siquijor, it's the most powerful magic.